Hello, I'm Julie Samako with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. In this quick video, I want to show you some sneak peeks behind the scenes of our new featured wreath of Wreath Making of the Month Club. Let's go over what you're going to need for this wreath. First, you're going to need an 18-inch grapevine wreath. And let's talk a little bit about their grapevine wreaths. When I choose a grapevine wreath from the store or wherever I'm purchasing, I want to make sure that the wreath is pretty even, and these pieces are not really tight, but you want them also to be thick enough so that you have room to put your picks in. And then I chose this really cute sign from Hobby Lobby. It's actually a yardstick, so this will be fun. We get to put it into a wreath. We'll also need some filler flowers. So we've got this bush right here. I have no idea what it is, but it's really pretty. And then we've got some other bush. This would be a filler. So this is a plastic. And then this is the ivy. And then we're gonna need a coping saw is what the husband said.
Or any saw.
Any saw will work.
Yeah, for small projects.
Any saw for small projects will work. Any saw for small projects. So a coping saw. Got it. All right. Scissors, you know, I don't even need to know the names of them. I just need to know it works. I always add the largest item to the wreath first, and that would be the sign. So here we go. We have this sign, and what I'm going to do is just try to find a place on the wreath where this will lay flat as possible.
I would score it and then not try.
So score it by rolling it this way.
No, keep going the way you're going.
All right, so let's go ahead and start placing our flowers. So we're going to come back up to the wreath, and I'm going to go ahead and put the purple ones in first. I'm going to measure and see how much I want to come out. All right, so once I get them measured and put in, I'll come back and tell you, I'll pull them out and tell you how far out we're going to do it. Sometimes I have to play with them. All right, so the other trick, another tip for your wreath is when you see a flower in nature, it tends to be a little heavy on the top, especially with a 4-inch bloom. So you can bend the flowers just a little bit. So this one's not going straight up. I've bent it a little bit towards the front, and this one's bent just a little bit too. I can bend that one just a little bit. So it's just it looks, to me, makes it look a little more authentic. So the wire that I'm using is called rustic wire. And it's helps to blend in. Looks a little bit more professional than pipe cleaner, in my opinion. So we're going to cut off. This is where we added the bow, so we're going to cut that wire off short. And then this is where we've got the sign pieces. We're going to cut these off short. And then if we've got the wooden floral picks, you can just cut those off pretty short.